Exercise 2.2 question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Px equal to 3x plus 1. We have to see whether x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the polynomial Px. 0 is that value of the variable. When we substitute it in the polynomial, which makes the value of the polynomial is equal to 0. So we find the value of Px at x equal to minus 1 by 3. Replacing x by minus 1 by 3, what we get? P minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 and 3 getting cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Since P minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the polynomial Px. Second part, Px equal to 5x minus pi, where the value of x is given as 4 upon 5. P 4 by 5, that means x is replaced by 4 upon 5, we get P 4 by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 and 5 is getting cancelled and we are getting 4 minus pi, which is not equal to 0. Since the value of the polynomial when x equal to 4 by 5 is not equal to 0, 4 by 5 is not a zero of the polynomial Px. Part 3, Px is equal to x square minus 1, where x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1. Two values are given here. You have to solve each one separately. When x equal to 1, what is the value of Px? When x equal to minus 1, what is the value of Px? P1 equal to 1 square minus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Value of the polynomial becomes 0 when x equal to 1. P1 equal to 0, therefore 1 is a zero of the polynomial Px. Now check whether minus 1 is also a zero of the polynomial. Replacing x by minus 1 in the given polynomial. P minus 1 equal to minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Since P minus 1 is equal to 0, minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial Px. So we get minus 1 and plus 1, both are zeros of the polynomial Px. Fourth part, Px equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2, where x equal to minus 1, x equal to plus 2. Substituting or replacing x by minus 1, we get P minus 1. Instead of x we will write minus 1 here. Instead of x here also we will write minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0 here. Minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. 0 multiplied by minus 3, which is equal to 0. The value of the polynomial when x equal to minus 1 is 0. So minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial Px. Now the second value of x is 2 here. Substituting x equal to 2 in the given polynomial, P2 is equal to 2 plus 1 bracket 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 into 0, which is equal to 0. Since the value of the polynomial Px when x equal to 2 is equal to 0, 2 is also a zero of the given polynomial. Since P minus 1 equal to 0 and P2 is equal to 0, minus 1 and 2 both are zeros of the polynomial Px. Fifth part, Px equal to x square, where x is equal to 0. you have to find whether x equal to 0 is a 0 of the polynomial px. Replacing x by 0, we get p0 equal to 0 square. 0 square is equal to 0. So p0 equal to 0, that means 0 is a 0 of the polynomial px. Next question is px is equal to lx plus m, where x equal to minus m upon l. You have to see whether minus m upon l is a 0 of the given polynomial. How can you do that? Replace x by minus m by l. P minus m by l, that means wherever you find x, replace it by minus m by l. L into minus m by l plus m. L and L got cancelled. Here you will get minus m plus m, which is equal to 0. Whatever may be the value of m, minus m plus m is equal to 0. So p minus m by l is equal to 0. Therefore, minus m by l is a 0 of the polynomial px. Next question, px is equal to 3x square minus 1, where x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, x equal to 2 by root 3. When you replace x by minus 1 by root 3, you will get p minus 1 by root 3, which is equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1. Minus 1 by root 3 square is plus 1 by 3. The 3 and 3 cancelled. We get 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. That means p minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. The value of the polynomial, when x is replaced by minus 1 by 3, we get the value of the polynomial is equal to 0. So minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of the polynomial px. Now we have to see whether 2 by root 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Px equal to 3x square minus 1. So p 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 square minus 1. 2 by root 3 square is 4 by 3. 3 and 3 cancelled. 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. It should have been 0. If it was 0, I can say that 2 by root 3 would have been a 0 of the polynomial. But here we are not getting the value of this p 2 by root 3 is equal to 0. It is equal to 3 only. Since p 2 by root 3 is equal to 3, which is not equal to 0, 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of the polynomial px. Therefore, minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of px, but 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of the polynomial px. Next question, px is equal to 2x plus 1, where x equal to 1 by 2. You have to substitute x equal to 1 by 2 in the given polynomial and then simplify it. If you are getting the value is equal to 0, it is a 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, it is not. P 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. Since P 1 by 2 is not equal to 0, 1 by 2, the given value of x, is not a 0 of px. Now there is a big question, what is a 0 of the polynomial?